Hello and welcome to another episode of elecjonics. We got Pez and the great Isaac here.
Hey there.
We had to figure out a couple of schedules, kill a couple people, but we got him.
Yeah.
Like, did you kill the people I told you?
Yeah.
Yeah. We hid the bodies. So we're playing Mario Bros.
There is 1, 2, 3, 4 Main Street.
Yeah. So, oh wait, you know what? Page switch controllers. I call Luigi. Fine. But basically, you get to jump underneath to basically flip them upside down, and then you gotta smack into them.
Sounds.
And then you can kill each other.
Wait, we can kill each other?
Oh.
I can show you how. I mean, it's not that hard.
What, like this?
No,
Oh,
let's say, there, you can, kill that guy. Or, dang it. Did we just die at the same time?
Almost simultaneously.
Like, hey, do you want to kill that guy up there, Paige? Luigi, game over.
Full dead, how mean.
Hey, you gotta get rid of the competition, It's just
You
business.
never explained to me how I kill you.
That's how you kill. You trick them into going after thing and then flipping it upside down. So that
Well, you didn't explain it.
well, that's what I was trying to show you, and I showed you while
It's
killing you.
timed.
Yeah, it's a bonus round.
Whoa.
And I got all the coins.
No fair.
Mickey.
You cheated.
Maybe
Kind
if
of
you gave me
fair.
Luigi, I wouldn't have done that.
No.
Luigi's the best. Oh, Jesus.
You know, I feel like Luigi and Mario have similar, if not the same stats. Like,
Well, it's not about the stats. It's just
They're
he's better.
judging the books by their covers.
Oh my god. Also, do you notice that Mario is red and blue?
I do.
He. Oh
We're
wait.
not colorblind, Helen. We noticed this.
Oh wait a second. Not that. It was his mustache and hair are blue. That's what I meant to say.
And
Oh yeah, why?
It's the color palette for characters back in the old days. They only had a limited color palette, so you get 3 colors per person.
can I play now?
Do you want me to die?
Yes.
You know what? For the entertainment of the people, so that they're not bored. But you gotta give the Isaac the controller. You know what? Here, Isaac, switch into. Yes, I want Luigi here. So, hit start.
Made in Japan.
Start.
Yes, we know this was made in Japan. Mom, do you know this music?
Oh, so we have to have momentum before the jump. Okay.
Well, you can, jump without momentum. Dang it. Oh, and if you, wait... Oh, that's a fireball coming for you.
Oh no, run away! Oh, okay. Run away!
Whoa, what was that?
Yeah, you squished me!
Oh, come on. Is it the curse of Luigi or something?
Yes, Luigi's useless. Oh, I popped. Oh no!
Yes.
I feel that's unfair.
What?
You so nearly killed me.
Yeah, I was really close to
I don't know
it.
if that was on purpose, too.
To be honest, that was not on purpose.
I should just go in back to get baby.
Wow. We haven't even made it to the best characters, the flies.
Oh,
What?
I don't think I want to experience that.
Oh, they're fun.
Oh, I got him.
Jesus. You made him angry. Oh, Mario.
Oh no, what about that? Looks like you won.
Wait, so I gotta give my controller to Paige.
Yeah.
Okay. Isaac, start it.
I am still playing Mario.
Yes, Isaac's playing Mario, Paige is doing Luigi. So,
This is fun.
you guys use the POW block way too fast.
Okay, you know, that wasn't my original plan.
You're gonna actually play the... That was pretty close. Were you just running in circles, Paige?
Oh no! There's two of them! There's two viruses!
Wow, you guys are dying like flies. Yeah? Do you know my top score?
Oh, I think I'm making that turtle now.
I win! Oh wait. Oh no, I don't win! I don't win because I'm bad to the point where I haven't been able to get any score.
Hey, you tied.
Wait, no, I might
Oh,
win.
you're still in.
And there's an angry turtle. Or two. With more fire.
No.
Okay, get me go both.
Turtles win.
40 points!
Okay, me and Paige now again. Except we're gonna play game A, see if that makes any difference.
I feel like I could have been better.
Can we, Paige, here, can we, like, see how far we can get? I use that as a jumping block. You do know that, right? You gonna just run in circles?
I just like the way he runs.
So you're just gonna keep running in circles?
Yeah, sounds like a good
Pretty
plan.
much. Seems like the winning strategy. Wait till you die by running around in circles. And then dominate.
Will you get out of my way?
No.
Ah,
Have I ever
Jesus.
told you how much I love birds? Birds and rocks. They're really great.
Isaac, first of all, where did that even come from?
That's just me.
No, I mean, why did you just think of saying that right
Because,
then?
no,
and
they're
there?
birds. Birds are awesome. Birds and rocks. Birds and rocks are my two favorite things.
Don't forget that. Sleeping.
Oh, yes, right.
Well, you don't have to whisper. Just don't talk.
I love birds and rocks.
Isaac, why did you think? Oh, Jesus.
Just because they're birds and rocks, you know?
He is. Oh, jeez, he was on a mission.
Ha!
Oh wait, are you actually playing the game and not just running in a circle?
Now that you
Like-
mention it.
Now we're...
Oh wait, I might actually want to try.
It's a very interesting walking animation.
Oh yes. Don't you love it, Isaac?
I do. Almost as much as I love
Yeah.
birds and rocks.
Do you like throwing rocks at birds?
Oh no, that is a terrible idea. Unless they're starlings. I hate starlings. Starlings are terrible.
You like hate the one bird I like.
Yes. Starlings are terrible. It's a type of bird.
Why would you try to flip him back up? It takes him 2 hits to get down.
Oh. Luigi.
Luigi's dead.
Luigi.
I won't like play this all the way through, but I at least want to show you the flies. Oh Jesus.
Sounds great.
We may or may not get to the flies.
Are you saying that I don't have the skills for that, Isaac?
Hashtag super crab.
Did you just say hashtag super crab?
I think we should have hashtag Super Rock.
What's so fascinating about rocks?
Sometimes they can be magical, you know? Like a resonance stone.
Then you'll love Earth signs. Do you know why? We have
magical rocks?
Not magical, but we have a whole unit on rocks.
But why can't they be magical?
See, Isaac, I already got an extra live. That talk about, like, the skill of a bad player.
I'm still thinking about rocks. And birds. Birds and rocks. Rocks and birds.
I think you were the perfect guest for elecjonics, Isaac.
Oh, yes. Of course.
Oh, Jesus. What is with that crab? Is he on
Crab.
steroids?
He is.
I don't know.
He must have had like a power-up rock.
He had a mushroom.
These power-up rocks.
Oh my god.
On a totally unrelated note, we had a cult in math today.
What?
Oh yeah. Yeah.
What happened?
They're just all T-posing, and humming, and standing up. They were pretty interesting, actually.
So, everyone was T-posing, humming, and... Okay.
Yep.
Oh wait, we're up to the flies.
Oh wow.
Super fly!
You get extra points if you don't have to jump between kills. Or at least I thought. Oh wait, and you can't go across the screen.
What are they, aliens? They sound like UFOs. I don't think those are flies. They're UFOs.
They seem pretty easy to beat.
Well, they get harder when you throw other animals into the mix.
They're really UFOs.
Really? That's your
Yes, they're
theory?
UFOs.
There's some crabs.
Oh jeez. Like, this is when it gets hard, because now you got crabs, and then some flies will drop down. Mainly the hard part about the flies is that they only land in specific times.
Hey, John,
Like,
you know
watch, I'll get it that, how come I'm not...
Super crab!
I swear to God, that crab is on steroids.
Those crabs are kind of scary.
John, you know what the best strategy is?
What?
Running in circles.
You know what, how about you and Isaac prove that? Start. Yeah.
I will gladly run in circles.
Oh, really? You're just gonna run in circles?
Yeah.
This is like the world's worst. He's still only running in circles.
Oh no.
I told you to
Managed to lose. Running in circles still. I don't know what's wrong. Running in circles is one of the freaking strategies.
Running away.
No. Why, thank you.
Ooh.
You didn't.
How did you escape that fireball? That
Like
usually
you
gets you 100%.
I'm dead. Mario
Dead.
dead.
This is all up to you.
Wait, so I can see you now. What?
Wait, are you saying now you're gonna actually play good just because he's dead?
I told you running in circles. That's policy.
That fire... And it's so weird, because the fireballs used to help you. They used to kill the enemies. In the actual games, right?
Hey, I'm winning now.
Isaac?
Yeah, sure.
And this...
I played Mario games.
Well, this game ain't... This game ain't...
H is not a word.
This game ain't... This game... This game isn't super... It's not a Super Mario Bros. Game. It's just Mario Bros.
This cat is very fluffy.
He
I
is.
appreciate that.
He's half long, half short.
So when he lays down, it's like he's wearing a coat because you can see all the long hair, and then from the shoulders up, he's short-haired cat.
Are you still only running in circles?
It seems like the best policy.
Just
That's the best
item.
policy?
Well
Well,
done.
She did not have enough time to get her running in circles off.
Okay,
From his elbows up, he's got like short hair, and then from the elbows down, he's got like long hair.
guys, we had fun playing elecjonics, Mario Bros. Wii 4. They were super. And we'll see you next time.
Hashtag super crap.
Yes, super
And
crab.
rocks.
Rocks as well. Rocks and birds.
Birds and rocks. Rocks and birds. Birds on
Birds and the
rocks.
bees.
Ooh.
Oh no. Edit that out.
Okay. Thank you for watching this episode of Elecjonics. If you would like more gaming videos, you can always check out my channel for more episodes. And if the series isn't finished yet, that means I'm most likely uploading more. Thank you.